Tipped away by Baroka. Baroka will go in. Easy for the layup. And that lead is up to 9. Meralco. Field. And Baroka continues his great defense. He's been doing it for a long time.
Parehong magaling maglaro eh.
Yun yung nakaraan lalo
Yun
si
yung
George
malaki.
King.
Oo.
Oh, steal by Bearfield. Maya gives chase. Bearfield is gone. And our play of the half natin sa atin ang Sports Plus. Cedric Bearfield with that steal and the layup. Bearfield for this tournament averages more than one of those a game. He has brought Blackwater back with an 8. Napakaraming nakatutok sa kanyang PBA debut. Very impressive naman. As Doc mentioned, ang problema, wala nga nakatulong. As RJ sneaks it through.
So by this time, scout na ng Barangay Ginebra itong import ng Blackwater.
He was very impressive in his debut. He's been steady.
So catch and shoot ang mangyayari para sa Bolts. Whoever gets it have to take it. Cancino says, okay lang. Wala akong problema. 1.4 lang yan.
And ang mga weapons ng Meralco, yung kanilang running attack against a slow-moving team like Magnolia. Ito yung 3-point shot galing kay Cancino.
Abarientos kontra Ilagan na naman. RJ versus RK. They go to Japet. Shot clock at 3. From the logo. Oh! Buries it! Abarientos now with 14 points. Tignan mo naman to, Doc. Shot clock winding down. Nandun nakatayo sa Smart. Play of the game natin yan. Nahatid sa atin ng Sports Plus. And yung think tank ng Barangay Ginebra napapangiti do sa replay ng tira ni RJ.